With less than a week till Christmas, the show must go on.
I know we certainly were not the only people, Christmas light people, impacted by this.
After 79 mile-an-hour winds in Billings ran through Christmas light displays on Wednesday, decor connoisseurs like Mark Bolt were forced to take a step back.
Wednesday was stressful. We knew it was coming, so we tried to prepare.
Mark has been adding to his display of 82,000 lights since 2001. But on Wednesday, his beloved joy sign, nativity scene, and string lights became victim to the strong winds.
There's a few strings of lights that kind of got overstretched and ripped apart. We had to replace. But we were pretty fortunate.
It took him all of Thursday afternoon to clean up the mess. Fortunately, there's one Billings man who understands Mark's struggle.
It has been a very interesting week to start.
It was Luke Ashmore's second day on the job as a brand manager for Zoo Montana when the winds picked up.
On the bright side, for the most part, it just knocked some of the light fixtures over. There were a few pieces that may have been a bit more damaged.
Zoo Montana was closed on Thursday so that the team could repair the iconic Holiday Nights display. While Luke wasn't too happy about the wind, there were a few who enjoyed the cool breeze.
Well, I'll say this, the day after, it was still chilly, still had some wind and some cold, and I was able to learn we actually took all the barnyard animals for a walk around the campus.
It was still windy, but it felt like a break because it had been so much windier in the other days.
According to KTVQ meteorologist Jason Stiff, these severe windstorms are uncommon in the Billings area. He says it's because of the jet stream.
When you have a pattern with the jet stream overhead, you have big pressure differences from one side of the mountains to the other, and that lingers, that can give us almost all day wind.
Although Montana has seen some crazy weather this month, we'll at least have a mild Christmas this year so that these lights can keep shining through the holiday season.
It was a very worthwhile learning experience.
In Billings, Matt Carmack, MTU News.